Owens Corning's R-30 EcoTouch Pink Fiberglass insulation comes in 4 different facing options, including unfaced, craft-faced, FSK and PSK, or flame spread 25, and foil-faced. The main applications are wood and metal frame floors and attics. R-30 bats recover to 9.5-inch thickness to fully fill joist cavities and comes in widths ranging from 16 to 24 inches and 48 inches in length. The 2018 IECC code only requires R-30 for ceilings in Climate Zone 1, but it can be used as a base layer to meet code in the rest of the climate zones. R-30 is also required for floors in Climate Zone 5 and 6 for most current energy codes. Consult your state and local building codes for your specific needs. Let's take a look at R-30 insulation and its intended application. Unfaced R-30 bats are a stock product with a 3-day lead time and are available in 16, 19.25, and 24-inch widths with lengths of 48 inches. Craft-faced R-30 bats for wood framing are a stocked product with a 3-day lead time and are available in 16, 19.25, and 24-inch widths and with a length of 48 inches. Craft facing should be used in areas requiring a Class 2 vapor retarder. FSK, or flame spread 25 facing products, are designed to be used where insulation will remain exposed and require a finished appearance, or where a vapor retarder with low flame spread properties is required. Here are a few reasons that Owens Corning EcoTouch Pink Fiberglass is rated as the #1 brand builders trust for insulation. It's independently certified by a third party to verify the insulating power, or R value. That's not the case with some other popular insulating materials. Advanced technology and strict quality control means dependable consistency and low dust. Just a few of the reasons Owens Corning Fiberglass is rated #1 for handleability and ease of installation. Homeowners appreciate that it's made with no added fire retardant chemicals. Plus, unfaced products are made with at least 65% recycled content, and all Owens Corning fiberglass bats and rolls are made with 100% renewable energy. When it comes to proven solutions that help make homes comfortable, quiet, safe, and sustainable, choose Owens Corning EcoTouch Pink Fiberglass insulation.